Good afternoon, everyone. This is Nick from Durmapress. I know there are some people, some friends want to visit our factory, but in some reasons they cannot arrive to China and cannot arrive to our factory. To deal with this problem, we're going to join to some exhibition in the next few months. In September this year, we will attend to the EMO exhibition in Hanover, Germany. In October, we will join in the FABEX exhibition in Saudi Arabia. Our boss and the salesman will be present at that event to address any of your questions. If you want to learn more about our product at the exhibitions, please connect us. Your factory is close to those exhibitions. You can directly attend this exhibition and meet our salesman to know more about our machines.